Arduino Programming. Make interactive art and wearables. Imagine wearing a jacket that lights up when you move or an art piece that reacts to sound. With Arduino Programming, turning these ideas into reality is easier than you think. Arduino is a small microcontroller board that lets you control electronic parts with code. You write programs in a language similar to C or C++, using functions like setup and loop. The setup function runs once to set up your hardware, like configuring pins as inputs or outputs. The loop runs repeatedly, checking sensors and controlling devices. For example, you can program an LED to turn on and off by setting a pin high or low with commands like digitalray and adding delays for timing. To make interactive art or wearable gadgets, you add sensors such as light sensors, motion detectors, or touch sensors. These sensors send signals to the Arduino, which reads them through its input pins. You need to understand how to handle analog signals from sensors and filter out noise for accurate readings. Once the Arduino detects a change, it can trigger outputs like LEDs, small motors, or displays. For example, a wearable might change LED colors based on ambient light or vibrate when it detects motion. Designing circuits is a key part of this process. You need resistors to limit current to LEDs, transistors or MOSFETs to power bigger devices, and a stable power supply to keep everything running smoothly. Knowing the voltage and current ratings of your components helps prevent damage. Proper grounding and shielding also reduce interference and noise, making your project more reliable. Practical projects include LED art displays that respond to sound or movement, wearable devices that light up or vibrate with gestures, and interactive sculptures that change based on environmental conditions. Programming these projects involves managing timing carefully, avoiding delays that block other functions, and using libraries to simplify sensor and actuator control. Debugging tools like the serial monitor show real-time data from sensors, helping you fine-tune your code and hardware setup. In essence, Arduino programming makes it possible to create engaging interactive art and wearable electronics by combining coding with circuit design. Electrical engineering skills ensure your hardware works correctly, signals are handled properly, and power is managed safely. This combination opens up endless possibilities for creative projects that respond to the world around you.